Right, welcome to Scotland. We've been in Scotland for the past 2 days, driving about in the vans. We're with the UK cliff jumper lot. Jake, say hello. Absolute madheads. We're basically going to different locations, doing a bit of cliff jumping, doing a bit of camping, chatting a lot of having an all-round good time. I'm not a good cliff jumper at all, so I'm sort of just wandering about filming stuff and jumping off some lower ones and doing a couple of flips off lower ones. I've not filmed any of the trip so far because this is the first time the sun's actually come out. Hopefully we're gonna have some good weather. We're going up to the Isle of Skye today. Jake, explain the Scotland tour.
So it's a week that someone put together after finding loads of spots in Scotland to cliff jump, and it like connects all the different spots up in Scotland, and then we're travelling to each spot each day to make that a holiday and seeing the sights as well. And at the moment we're at Lower Falls near the base of Ben Nevis.
Just made it into Skye, stopping off, beautiful lake, gonna get the kayaks out, get a few drone shots and just have a bit of lunch, I think. Pop the kayak.
Don't tell them that.
Packing up now, going properly now, going to the Isle of Skye, and then we're just gonna camp because it's already 5 o'clock.
You sound like such a grandpa.
We're just gonna go to camp, tent up. Time seems to be ticking on a bit now, and we need to get the tea on for everyone before they arrive. So come on, everyone, come on.
What are you playing?
Let's go now. Getting bored here.
As time goes by.
We're going to camp here tonight and then have a fire and some food and some beers and then go to sleep and jump off the waterfall tomorrow.
Arrived at the morning location. I think we're probably going to end up spending the day here. They're just depth checking to make sure it's safe to jump. If it is, then should be a case of getting some brilliant photos and videos and watching some cool stuff.
Buzzing, mate, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, it's been checked everywhere. It's really deep. The 60 foot's fine. The 80 foot's a little bit sketchy, so they said if anyone wants to jump it, then they'll have to get in and check it themselves. But it's like sandy bottom, means even if I hit the bottom, I'm not gonna have myself. In a sense, a big
Any wise words?
What?
Any wise words?
No.
Right, that's it, wrapped up at this spot. I didn't do any jumping, I just did some filming. It's a bit outrageous, the height that they're jumping off of there. But the boys were sending it. They did some sick stuff, looked really, really cool. We've got another night here. We're camping in the same spot. Absolutely insane location, you can't beat it. So yeah, tonight's gonna be a chilled one and then on the road again tomorrow. Beautiful start to the morning. I think that we're going right angle falls today. That was where we went when we first arrived, but it was absolutely pissing it down. So I think we're gonna go back because it was fun and it's also on the way home. Walking down to the next spot. We're actually parked on the Skyfall road. Keeks is going in. Keeks has bought a wetsuit from Wilco. Here comes Jake to show us all up with a double backflip. That was clean as Kiki's about to get her PB jump. How are we feeling? Highest straight jump coming in. I'm going to do it first and then you're going to follow. You can do it. Just jump. Afternoon complete at the waterfall. Actually got wet this time. Kiki jumped off her biggest jump ever. We're just gonna doss down now and then see what tomorrow brings. Jump again into that waterfall because it was such a good spot and some of the guys are coming from the other spot today. Can't beat this view. Complete. It was only a short little fun one. Dean and Hattie and Toby and Chloe came down. We did a few little jumps. I like this spot because it's fun and you can slide down the water slide. Other people were doing bigger stuff, but I'm not good enough for that yet. Tonight we're driving towards Glasgow. Like I said, I'm working there tomorrow, so we just need to be somewhere within that vicinity. We're gonna look for a camping spot, but in the meantime, we're literally just gonna soak up the sun like a pair of walruses. Yep. Okie doke, just arrived back from the Scotland tour. I've actually been in Glasgow for a couple of days since the last drone shot that you saw, but what a week that has been. Camping in the back of vans, having laughs, watching these guys doing some crazy stuff into water. Yeah, I can't thank the UK cliff jumping community enough for welcoming me in and providing us with some insane spots that I would never have known about if I hadn't have met these guys. Now I've dabbled in the cliff jumping world a tiny bit. I'm keen to get involved a bit more, I think. I'm going to try and take my backflips higher. I might even attempt a double backflip, but that'll come on the next trip that we do. So cheers, thanks again UK cliff jumpers. You gave us a brilliant week and I can't wait for the next one. See you in a bit.